Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to be diving into a powerful tool called the boom and crash spike detector. Okay, so if you've ever been caught off guard by sudden price spikes in boom or crash indices, right? That's if you are a spike trader. Boom and crash are synthetic indices, right? If you have not heard of them before, they are not like the currency pairs and commodities like Euro USD. I mean, the currency pairs now Euro USD, GBP USD, and the likes. And then metals like gold, silver, and other popular pairs that Okay, boom and crash are synthetic indices, and not uh, many brokers offer you know uh, synthetic indices, right? So if you want to trade synthetic indices, you might have to especially use a broker that offers that, right? So now boom and crash, the way it moves, you can see. As for the crash, there's going to be some level of steady upward movement, and then you just have a spike to the downside, and then all of that. And then for the boom, there's going to be steady downward movement, and you have a spike to the upside. That's for the boom, right? So boom and crash spike detector, is an indicator that attempts to help boom and crash traders to you know catch these spikes. Okay, now it might not be 100% accurate, but at least it attempts to help boom and crash traders identify when spike is possibly coming. Okay, so it's a trading tool designed to highlight sudden upward or downward movements, also known as spikes, in boom and crash indices, right? These spikes happen because of high volatility, market sentiment, or sudden trader activity. So for traders, detecting these spikes quickly is key to understanding market behavior, right? If you are a trader, it's very important to detect these spikes, okay? And using a spike detector allows traders to identify potential trend reversals early, understand sudden price surges or drops, and improve market timing for analysis and planning. Okay. Meanwhile, a popular broker that I know that offers synthetic indices is the Deriv broker, right? Um, Okay, I'm just going to type in there. Okay, so just in case if you're interested in boom and crash, this is actually a broker that I can uh, tell you that offers boom and crash indices. Okay, you can sign up with them if you are interested in trading synthetic indices. Okay, they offer synthetic indices, and they also have accounts for the currency pairs that and gold and all of that. Okay, so this is a broker that offers boom and crash. In case if you have never come across boom and crash indices before, you can actually open a demo account with this broker, and then you're gonna see boom and crash there. Okay, but this video is not exactly for that. Okay, so let's just get back to explaining what the spike detector does. Okay, so basically you will not have to rely on guesswork when using the spike detector. All right, and in as much as, like I said, it might not exactly be 100% accurate, but you can add the signals to your trading toolkit, right? If you are a boom and crash trader, you might already have your own strategy, but then this detector might just give you extra insight, additional insight into possible times when a spike is about to happen. Okay, so you might see things like arrows, just like you can see here on this chart. You can see arrows, being detected by the detector. All right, you might actually see an indicator window, and then all you just have to watch out for are the signals in the form of arrows, or lines, and all of that, and then you execute your trades accordingly. All right, so the detector basically tries to mark spikes directly on your chart. You learn how to you learn to interpret these signals, so you know when a sudden movement is happening, and you can prepare for the market reaction. So here's how to get started. You just have to install the boom and crash spike detector on your trading platform, and you can see Best MetaTrader Indicator is one of the sites that you can get this indicator from. Okay, just have to search for boom and crash. Just have to search for boom and crash spike detector. Then this is one of the websites that you can actually get the indicator from. Right, so you see this, okay, sorry about that, but this particular site, this is it here opened. Okay, so when you want to install indicator, you just have to come here and download it. All right, you can see this is MT5 version. You just download the indicator, or maybe if you know any other website, a trustworthy website that offers this indicator, you can go ahead to download it. Okay, you have to download it first of all, and you install it on your trading platform. All right, but remember, you have to have an account that offers boom and crash, right? Because this indicator is for boom and crash. So you need to have an account that offers boom and crash. You log into that account on your MT5, and then you can add the indicator on your chart. Okay, basically adjust the sensitivity settings, the input settings and all of that, depending on your trading style. Okay, higher sensitivity catches smaller spikes, while lower sensitivity focuses on significant movements. You apply it to your chart and observe how it marks spikes. So it's important to practice with a demo account. It is always very, very necessary to use a demo account first, so that you can understand how the signals appear and react without risking real capital. Now, I'm just going to give you a couple of tips for using the detector. You should always combine the spike detection with other indicators to confirm trends. All right. Now, it is true that many traders who trade the boom and crash, we want to catch the spikes on the smaller time frames, right? And yeah, that's actually fine, as a scalper. But it's also good to look at the higher time frames, understand the trend. When you zoom out into the higher time frames, you will see that there could be prevailing trends in the market. So when the trend is bullish, usually it will be advisable to look for buying opportunities in the boom index, right? And then in the case of bearish trend, it will be advisable to trade the crash index in a bearish trend. So you're looking for spikes in the direction of the trend. Okay, so that's just a strategy, right? So basically, you combine the spike detection with other indicators to confirm trends, and you try to trade in the direction of the trend, and you trade the indicator that is spiking in the direction of the trend. Now, you should also avoid relying solely on the detector. Always consider the market context, and then track how different spike sizes correlate with market volatility to refine your strategy. So by using a boom and crash spike detector, you can stay ahead of sudden market movements and better understand the dynamics of boom and crash indices. Practice interpreting signals, adjust your settings, and integrate it with your analysis tools for maximum effectiveness. Okay, so if this video helped you understand how to use a boom and crash spike detector, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more trading tutorials. We'll keep bringing tools and tips to help you trade smarter and understand the market better. See you in the next video.